Here's how to clean your iPhone speakers the right way in 3 easy steps. Before we start, here are things you absolutely should not do to clean your speakers. Don't use any sharp objects to try and gouge out any gunk. We've seen advice suggesting that you should use the sharp end of toothpicks, tweezers, and even paper clips to scrape your speaker grills. Don't use rubbing alcohol or any kind of liquid. While rubbing alcohol does evaporate more quickly than water, any kind of liquid and the innards of iPhones are not a good mix. Don't use canned compressed air. While these products are useful for cleaning robust electronics such as laptop keyboards, the force produced is too strong to be used on more delicate electronics. Now that that's out of the way, here's the right way to do it. Step 1. Use a soft bristled brush to gently brush your iPhone speaker grills. You can use either a super soft toothbrush or one of these brushes that comes in most male grooming kits. Try to use the brush at an angle so you're not forcing the dirt up into the grill, but gently brushing it out. Amazon offers a bunch of great options for brushes that do just this thing. Step 2. Consider investing in special cleaning putty. You want the putty to be as sticky as possible so you don't push the dirt further in, but remove it as you pull the putty away. AirSquare's cleaning putty is specifically designed for getting dirt out of earbuds and iPhone speakers. If you're looking for something more local, you can probably find car cleaning gel at any local Walgreens or CVS. Step 3, use an air blower. These don't offer as much pressure as canned compressed air and are safe to use on iPhones. Consider using an air blower after you've used the soft bristled brush to help remove any debris the brush has dislodged. Much better.